Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your income generation with Turo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Turo, first, create an account on their website or app. Next, familiarize yourself with Turo's policies and guidelines to ensure compliance. Choose the type of vehicle you want to list. Consider factors like the vehicle's age, mileage, and overall condition. Take high-quality photographs of your car from multiple angles. Capture interior shots as well to highlight cleanliness and features. Write a compelling description that highlights your vehicle's unique selling points. Set a competitive price by researching similar vehicles in your area. Adjust for peak seasons or local events to maximize earnings. Once your listing is live, be responsive to potential renters' inquiries. Utilize Turo's tools to manage your bookings effectively. On the day of the rental, meet the guest in a safe location to hand over the keys. Conduct a quick vehicle inspection with the guest before they drive away. After the rental, request feedback from your guests to build your reputation. Consider expanding your fleet over time to generate more income. Stay active on the platform to keep your listings relevant and visible. Regularly reassess your pricing strategy based on market trends. Maintain your vehicles to ensure they stay in good condition for future rentals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.